Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS Launcher on this VIVO smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select Allow, and while using the app in the pop-ups, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down just a bit, choose Apps and scroll down again. Finally, click on Default Apps, choose Home app and click on iOS Launcher. Lastly, select Got It. As you can see, after all that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and choosing System Home Screen or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!